Go.
Daniel, haven't you tidied up your room yet? Well, go do it while I'm reading documents. Ha ha ha. Oh, Vienna, there you are. Kindly wake me up, please. I'll give you a donut. Silence, or you will burn. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, Miss Hall. There. Bigger before you get nagged. Now, let's do some simple equations. Oh, you're still here. You must go now. Scurry along. Cheerio, folks. Oh, I must finish this document. Fuck you all.